Hello everyone, it's time for the English break. I'm here with you to learn, practice and review together. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Today we've got episode number 5 of our 100 most common English words. If you're wondering why we're doing this 100 most common English words, make sure you check out the first episode. You can find the link in the description box down below. Today we've got next 10 most common English words, along with many useful examples that you can use in daily life. We've got part number 1. In this first part, there isn't much for you to do. Just sit back, relax, drink your coffee, and listen to the sentences that I'm going to read. In the second part, though, I'll ask you to take notes. It will help you review and repeat in the future. Okay, and the final part, number 3. It's the most important part. You are going to create your own examples. I'm here to help. I'll give you 3 additional phrases or example sentences. You can use them as ideas in creating your own examples. By the end of part 3, your sentences will look like the sentences you can see on the screen right now. Welcome to English Break with Marta. On this channel, I'll encourage you to create your own English sentences, only in your short daily breaks. Keep the sentences you learn in one place, like a notebook or note-taking app, and come back to them anytime you want to repeat. In this way, sentences you read and sentences you write will become the sentences you speak. Okay, we've got word number 1 here. I'm here at the supermarket. Can we meet here after work? Ankara is not far away from here. It's only 50 kilometers. Then, first, I wake up and then I brush my teeth. First, put the flour in the bowl. Then, add some bitter chocolate, 2 eggs, and a glass of milk and mix. I need to put away my book first. Then we can go. Word number 3, more. Can I have more milk, please? I want to learn more about Africa. Sorry, there are no more seats available. Okay, well, so word number 4. I'm well, thank you. And you? I can't swim very well. I'm good at basketball. I didn't sleep well last night. I was thinking about my exams. Okay, guys, halfway through, we've got word number 5 also. I like hot chocolate, and I also like cappuccino. I'm going to my friend's house, and my little sister is also going. She is a very gifted writer and also quite skilled in gardening. Okay, word number 6. I really like you. Could I have some water, please? I'm feeling thirsty. I'm planning to take a short vacation next month. I need a break from work. Okay, word number 7. You. I really like you. I think you should drink less coffee. You have too much every day. How long can you stay with us? Okay, word number 8. What time is it? Where's my phone? It was right here on my desk. No, Bob, I don't want to talk about it now. I'm still angry and upset. And number 9 here. He likes to eat vegetables. This is Paul. He is my best friend and a very funny guy. He has been studying hard for his final exams. We've got the last final one. We are not friends. We are going to a bistro tonight. I'm afraid that we can't come to the after party. My son is not feeling well. Great, we're finished with the part 1. Now it's time for the part 2. In this part, again, you will see the words, but this time you will see all the examples for each word at once. I'll give you 2 to 3 seconds after each word to note down the sentences. If you need more time, hit the pause button and take as much time as you want or can. I'm sure that when you're looking at the same examples in the second part, you'll already remember them from the part 1. Here. Then. More. Well. Also. I. You. It. She. And the final one, we. Perfect. So far, we've learned next 10 most common English words along with 30 example sentences. Remember, the main idea of this channel is to help you create your own sentences in English. Alright guys, now it's time for the third, my favorite, most important part. So it's time for you to create your own sentences. I'll give you some optional phrases and sentences that you can use while creating your own examples. Make sure you write down your sentence or sentences in the comment section down below. When you're writing your sentences, you're repeating them, you're remembering them in a better way, along with helping other students visiting this channel, all right? So let's do it together. Let's create a community that is supportive and helpful. So where can we be? I'm here at the pub, at the coffee shop, at school waiting for you. In the last example, I'm here a bit earlier. What else can you think of? The next one then. So it's a very nice word to use for talking about the order, one action after another, one happening after the other. First, I wake up and then I drink my coffee and then I get dressed for work. I leave for work and so on and so on. Think about your morning routine. What do you do first? What do you do next? What do you do then?
Wake up!
Okay, more. What do you want to learn more? Is it, for example, editing or foreign languages, maybe engineering, cooking? You name it. Okay, well, in this example, you're talking about something you can and cannot do. For example, I can't swim very well, but I am an excellent cook. I'm keen on handball. I excel in tennis, right? So we've got 3 nice examples. You can use this structure, this pattern to make your own sentences. Also, for instance, I like hot chocolate and I also enjoy a hot cup of Americano. I love to bake chocolate cupcakes.
Yummy.
What other things do you also like? Very basic but extremely important word. Could I? I'm talking about this question. I've mentioned it before in my previous episodes, so make sure you check out all the previous episodes. It's very polite. It's a nice way of asking for something or asking about something. Could I get or could I have some brown sugar, please? Could I borrow your PC? Could I use your charger? What else? You. For example, in these situations, we are giving some advice, right? So we are suggesting something like, I think you need to do something. I think you should. You shouldn't. What else? We've got more space to fill in here. For example, where is your belongings? Where's my wallet? Where's my bag? Where is my protein bar? Where is my pen? Where is my phone? And then it. So, for example, it was in my pockets. It was right here. It was in the fridge. Okay, here. Nice way of introducing somebody. For example, this is Paul. He's my friend, colleague of mine, or he's my older brother. Do you have any other friends whom you could introduce like that? And the final one, we. We come from a small town. We are friends. We are colleagues. We don't like fast foods. We love to exercise, etc. We made it. We've learned 10 new most common English words along with many examples. It's the end of part 5, so we've done 50 most common English words along with 300 examples. So that's an awful lot in just 5 short coffee breaks. So no excuses. It's definitely worth it. Apart from coming back to examples we had, follow me on Instagram. Why? You will find a lot of useful examples, a lot of useful information, along with some fun facts that will help you keep your English fresh every single day. And additionally, you will find the teasers of my upcoming YouTube videos, so make sure you stay tuned. It was great practicing together. I hope you remember a lot of sentences from this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.